Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. So what we want to do, we want to do the fizz question in Python. So we want to input a number, and whenever that number is divisible by 3, then we'll print out a fizz, and whenever it is divisible by 5, then we'll print out a buzz. So, and when that number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then we'll print out a fizz buzz. So let us start by defining a function. So I'm going to define the fizz, then buzz function. Then we are going to map it on input. So that is a input function. Then next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start to check if this number is divisible by 3. That is, if our input function, that is our input number, is divisible by 3 and it doesn't have any remainder, that is equal to 0, then our return value, it will be this. Sorry for the spelling. Then if our input function value is divisible by now 5 without any remainder, then I'm going to print out that is to return buzz. And lastly, we are going to check if the number we have entered, it is divisible by both 5 and 3, so that you can return this buzz. That is, if our input number, that it is divisible by 3 without any remainder, and also our input value is divisible by now 5 is equals to 0, then we are going to print out, that is to return the value fizz buzz. And lastly, what I'm going to do, if this number does our input value does not meet any of this condition, then we want to return our input. So we need to call out our function for it now to work out. So let us run right here, that is print, then we call out our function, that is fizz buzz, then we map. So let us start with 3 and run it. So as you can see, we have on our terminal window we have a fizz. Let us now type in a 5. As you can see, we have a buzz. Let us now type in 15. And as you can see, we have on our terminal window we have fizz only. So what actually Python does, it runs the first piece of code, then it run, if it is correct, then it return out the function that you have entered. So what you need to do is to cut this part and paste it right here after our function. So let us run this and see. So as you can see, it has returned now fizz buzz. Now let us type in a number that which is not divisible by both 5 and 3, and that is 13. As you can see on our terminal window, we have 13 being printed out. So that is it. Let us meet on my next video. So even you can use also the if else statement, but this is the easiest way.